Are you tired of receiving the same old, uninteresting notifications on your phone? Do you want to make a change but don't know how? What if I told you that in this video you can get a ton of alerts, not only play notifications, but payment notifications as well, and that with just a few clicks you can earn over $50 using this new money-making approach that I'm about to show you. I can promise you that this method is 100% legit, 100% productive, and most importantly, 100% free. I've got some new apps with me today that you'll learn about in this video, and all it takes is a single click to download it, another click to log in, and you'll be earning a lot of money online in no time, and this method is widely available for use no matter where you are. So, with all of them on hand, this is absolutely accessible to everyone. This is an incredible way to generate money online, and the greatest part is that I'll show you how to do it. So just stick with me to the end, and don't skip forward in this video so you don't miss a single piece of important information if you want to make more and more money online quickly and for free. Before we proceed, I would appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my future videos. And also please leave a comment down below if you have any questions or thoughts about this video. Now, let's get back to the video. I want you to go to a website called instagc.com, where you can download it on your phone and start earning money in as little as 1, 2, and 3. Because this app is widely available on both mobile device softwares, you can download it on whatever phone you have, regardless of whether it runs on iOS or Android, because it will operate flawlessly in any case. If there's something bothering you, even if it's just for a moment, for example, maybe you're doubtful of the legitimacy and completeness of this app, you can really go to their Facebook page and read hundreds of reviews that have been shared by other individuals all over the world. Most importantly, you may see a variety of payment proofs that have been provided to users all over the world, showing that this method is completely legitimate. You can see that this person has made this amount of money, as well as another one here, another one there, and so on. What's even better is that you may claim the money you earned using a variety of payment options, including PayPal, bank transfer, or any other payment method that is compatible with this app. Feel free to check out their Facebook page to fill in any gaps in your knowledge and relieve your worries. Let's return to the website now. InstaGC is a mixture of two concepts, instant and GC, which stands for gift card. You can get free gift cards for any online activity you undertake, such as completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and searching the web. Among these different methods, I favor the one that allows me to simply be lazy after accessing the link, which is watching videos. Watching videos is a great way to make money online because all you have to do is watch the video, put your gadget down, and return to your normal routine, possibly even doing something fun. However, all of these ways are so simple that you can complete them with one hand, such as searching the internet for surveys. But, here's a tip. If you want to improve your earnings, you should maximize your time allocation by completing all of the ways at the same time. You can watch a video on your smartphone and then go back to pursuing the other methods at the same time, and that's a secret that I've exclusively revealed with you. As a result, make sure to put it to the best possible use. To get started with InstaGC, you can sign up with one click of a button using your Facebook account, or your Twitter account, or your Google account, or you can sign up by entering any username you like, set a password, repeat your password, enter your email address and click this green button to sign up and receive your 10 free points. This is how your account will look like once logged in. So you will see your free 10 points at the upper right here. And in here you will see how you can earn money by checking this earn button here. So there will be recommended, surveys, and watching video. And in here the redeem section, this is how you will withdraw your earnings. You can also make money by promoting this website by getting the information here in promote section. And other ways that you can earn money here by clicking this compete section, such as joining a contest. Because I have 2 more websites for you, we will not stick with this website and prolong the video. so feel free to know more about this site. And to sign up for free, you can click the link in the description down below. Moving on to the second website I'll share with you today. It's called AppKarma, and you can use it with any device you have or choose because it's really compatible with both iOS and Android-based devices. As a result, AppKarma is yet another simple and free way to earn money online. However, by using this website, you will be able to have fun and play games while still earning money through PayPal or gift cards. So, if you want to get in on this, simply click the download button and you'll receive an instant 300 points for free. Keep in mind that 100 points are worth $1 each, so 300 points will net you the easiest $3 you've ever had. There is another option to get money with this app, and that is by referring others to come in and join you. Simply copy your invite link and send it along with your referral code to as many people as possible. Then, if that individual successfully joins AppKarma, you'll get a whopping 30% commission based on the revenue they've generated. Let's use an example. If that person earns $100, you will receive $30, 30% of it. See how simple it was to make money without having to do anything difficult, time-consuming, or difficult. Feel free to explore the app, and just to give you a quick introduction, make sure you sign up every day to receive daily rewards. I nearly forgot to mention that every time you complete a task successfully, you will receive a variety of badges that will aid in the ongoing development of your account by allowing you to level up. With more badges, you can earn more money because your reward level rises as well. It all screams convenience, doesn't it? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. Now, let's come back to the video. Are you still with me? I'm about to show you the third app, which is called Cashkick. Cashkick, like the other applications, lets you to choose from a variety of payment ways to meet your needs. You can get money through a variety of methods, including PayPal and bank transfer. Basically, with a cash gig, they believe that the greatest incentive is money, and let's face it, they are correct. It works like that, so you may earn money by taking surveys, finding great deals, watching videos, and surfing the web using this app. When you think about it, these strategies are merely ordinary actions that we all engage in on a regular basis. We all watch videos in our spare time, so you might as well make some money from it. Now for the sign-up process, you can click this blue button here that says Get Paid directly to your PayPal, or you can enter your email address here, you set a password and then click Get Started Now. That's all there is to it. Miss Hustle here. I sincerely hope you found this video useful. If so, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I'll see you in the next video.